What if you could organize all your property care tasks in a single platform? Doinn does that for you. What if you could get your properties cleaned without all work of hiring, training, and scheduling? Doinn does that for you. What if you could optimize cleaning performance with a full scope of real-time insights and predictable data? Doinn does that for you. Need to improve the team's communication? Doinn does that for you. Want them to read and write in their own language? Doinn does that for you. Doinn does it all. Grow your business with confidence. Grow your business with tech. Grow your business with data. Save time, save money, grow your portfolio. Doinn, housekeeping operations made simple.